set is customer off with a nice avocado scrub. It helps open your pores. What about the cucumber slices? They help remove those wrinkles under your eyes.
Okay.
Relax, Max. Don't forget the orange coconut splash. How about a nice strawberry manicure while you wait? No extra charge. Can I mash the strawberries? Okay. You have to mash them really well. No problem. I'm a very good masher. Don't forget that one. I won't. Watch this.
What did you do? Where's my camera?
Right there.
Oh,
It's recording now.
Oh.
I think it looks pretty good. Thank you,
Those are Mama's babies.
Ready for your strawberry?
That was
Are you
a really
sure the
fast.
lens is on them and
Yeah.
on the table. Oh, you can see it.
Huh?
Better hope my camera doesn't fall. Those are Mama's boys. Those are Mama's babies. Those are Mama's piggy wiggies.
That's just
That's a good way to keep them right in the eye of the camera
What you
too.
need is a cold wash and set.
We should buy a guinea pig camera.
You're all cleaned up.
We're like, if we're gone, we'll see what they do.